Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is July 25th, 2019. This is my 20th episode about graph in C++. In this episode, we will learn how to best use of containers for variance. This episode continues from my previous session, episode 19. If you haven't watched the C++ container classes for any object of any type, please double-click this link. If you haven't watched this episode, you may not be able to follow current session. If you haven't watched this video, please watch it now, then come back to current video. Okay, let's get started. On the CPP extension graph folder, please select graph, click this button, 20, container for variance. .cpp, hit enter. Ctrl V, include tuple fun, output HPP, tuple fun, SS stream, auto, and tuple fun, and void how to filter container for variance. I will create some type definition, age, t, int, using weight, t, double, using name, t, constant character. Now we define container class for variance using people, t. I will define namespace alias, namespace, types, tuple fun, types. I defined namespace alias types here, types, container of variance t, std, vector, age t, weight t, name t. We defined a container type to hold variance using person, t, people, t. You can define variant type, people, t. Sorry, I have to say personal info t. Then I will copy like this. I will modify person, I say info t, okay. So personal info t, this is container class. Now info in place back, we can input age 10. I will put a little bit, age 20, weight 46 kilograms, 57 kilograms, name Thomas Kim, name Steve Park. Okay, I created a container. From this container we display stream the contents of info. From this info container class, we want to extract type double or age only. Okay, we want to extract from this container info, we want to extract age and weight, ignoring name. Then we can define like this. types filter, we define types overloads filters, we define like this. And here std vector age t ages std vector weight t weights. We define the two container here, ages age t constant age. Now we can place age in place back age. We create another weight, constant weight t weights in place back, it should be s, then weight or we ignore we simply ignore. Now filters, for each we provide this info, then stream ages and then stream weights and there. Okay, so we created a container, we defined the container of type variance of vector, then we defined info. We actually don't need this info type in this case. I will simply delete it. Then we created a container class, container info of std vector of std variant age t weight t name t. Okay, now here we placed some values, then we print out, then we define containers for filter, then we define filter, then we execute the filter, then we print out the result, int main. Now I copy this function, I copied, pasted, start command prompt, G++, std, C++ 17, 20, container for variance, .cpp, hit enter, cls. So we created the info object of vector initialized like this. From this we extracted age is 10, 20, and weight is 40, 50, we classified. Okay, also we ignore the name. If we want to extract the name too, then we can say std vector name t names, then we can also extract names like this, then name names in place back name. Then we can display names. Now I build once again CLS. So from this container of arbitrary type, we sorted out, we extracted elements by category. I hope you understand this concept. When the elements of a container such as age t, weight t, name t is of big size, then it can be a little bit of waste of memory. So I will copy this part, copy, and Ctrl K, Ctrl C. I pasted it, so I will convert it to reference wrapper like this. std reference wrapper. I modified like this. Also std reference wrapper. I also modified this part. std reference wrapper. I also modified like this. Now here we have to cast away constantness like this. Constant cast age t reference. We have to modify like this. And also here constant cast weight t reference. We first remove constantness. Okay. Also here constant cast name t reference. We first remove constantness, then we bind again std ref. Then I have to add another parenthesis. Also here std ref like this. Also std ref like this. Then we build once again. Okay, built successfully. Now it works as expected. This is the proper way for efficiency purpose. Or we can create a separate function. For example, template type name type auto to ref constant type value return std ref std constant cast type t value. Okay, with this it can be a little bit more compact. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, commented out, Ctrl K, Ctrl U. Now we can change it to like this, to ref, much cleaner, to ref. Also here to ref. It's much cleaner. Okay, or you can say we fixed like this. Finally we run once again. Okay, works perfectly. I will upload complete source code to my website, extension talkplayfun.com. By the time you watch this video, click this link, then you can download the complete source code. If you unzip it, you can find the CPP extension, graph folder, you can find the complete source code of this episode. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.